All Rajesh English class, and today we will discuss how to teach a poem at primary level of English. Okay, now we will discuss about the steps for poem teaching primary English. What is the poem? Poem is for pleasure and it is meant for sound, not for sight, and it is meant for heard. Okay, now we will discuss what are the aims of poem teaching. Number one, to create love of a language. Number one is to create a love of a language, to increase the power of imagination. Number two, and number three is to get enjoy, and number four is to impart pleasure. These are the aims of poem teaching. Now we will come to discuss about the steps how to teach a poem at primary level. Okay, now the entire class has to be divided into three parts. First part, pre-reading activity, and number two is while reading activity, and number three is post-reading. We have to make it three parts. In the first part, at the time of teaching poem for a teacher to the students, he or she has to do the pre-reading activities. It is called warm-up activity or initiation activity. How it can be done? Through storytelling, through riddles, and through rhymes, and through putting some question answers, and it can be done through the chain drill and brainstorming activities. And what we have to get it? We have to get in the warm-up activity about we can push, we can pay, we can give them the introduction, and we can make them motivate, the motivation, bringing readiness, we can make them bring ready to read the poem, and we can give them, we can feed them the background information and initiation activity. That's why we have to do the warm-up activity. Okay, now in the pre-reading activity, the teacher has to do the warm-up activity to initiate, to make the students get ready to listen the poem. Now the main part, while reading. While reading is the main teaching part of the class, and in this session, in this part, while reading, the first duty is reading formally by teacher. The teacher has to read the poem formally so that the students can get the pronunciation of a word, everything of the poem. Number two, recite poem by teachers without action, and then the teacher has to read the poem without action in a poetic manner, and at that time the students should close their books. The students should follow the teacher's recitation, and at that time the teacher has to read without act. Then the recitation by poem by teacher with action. After that the teacher has to recite the poem in a poetic manner with action. The teacher has to do the action, and at that time the student should open their book, and in this time the message carrying words must and should be stressed by the teacher so that the students get the notes, the meaning and glossary of the words. Then recitation or recite poem by student. The students have to read the poem loudly. It can be done by the teacher, either individual or group. Okay, then the last one is silent reading by students. After the loud reading, the students have to read silently to comprehend the poem, and at that time the teacher's duty is the teacher has to, or the teacher will check whether the students are reading properly or not. Now the while reading part is over. Now the last part, post reading, to comprehend the students how much they get, and in this post reading the comprehension, or you can sum up all the activity through rhyming words. These are the activities. Through these activities one can comprehend or one can sum up the lesson through rhyming words, game, fill in the blanks, spellings, etc., and this can be done from simple to difficult. So these are the steps how to teach a poem at primary level subject English. So first pre-reading and file reading and post-reading. These three activities. The class should be divided into three parts, and so that we can, being a teacher, we can teach the poem thoroughly to the students. Now, before conclusion of my topic, today's topic, how to teach a poem, I would like to request you all, please do subscribe my channel Rajesh English Class to get many more items in coming days. Thank you.